At Genexis, we want to bring the world to everyone's home through high-speed fiber connectivity. However, when it comes to multi-dwelling units, installing fiber can be a real challenge. Traditional MDU fiber rollouts are costly, time-consuming, and disruptive, requiring skilled labor, multiple installer visits, and landlord approvals. That's why we developed the Genexis Fiber Extension Kit, a fast, efficient, and hassle-free solution for MDU fiber installations. The Genexis Fiber Extension Kit is a fully pre-assembled kit with fibers spliced and secured to reduce labor costs and save installation time while minimizing disruption for residents. And even better, installation is incredibly simple. Unroll the cable, guiding it through the wall, and keep unrolling. Remove the cardboard reel. Mount the FTU securely on the wall. At the central distribution point, a single installer can splice all fiber cables in one go, reducing labor costs, saving time, and minimizing resident disruption. With the Genexis Fiber Extension Kit, rolling out fiber in MDUs has never been easier. Genexis, bringing the world to everyone's home.